Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Art with Maha Muzammil. If you are new here, I am Maha, a passionate artist, designer, content creator, and influencer. I'm super excited today because I have something special to share with you all. Before starting this video, I just want to let you know that in this video, I'm gonna announce my winner of this beautiful RGB sunset light lamp. So do not miss or skip any single minute of this video. So let's get started. I just got my hands on this amazing RGB sunset lamp from Minnie Marcum, and I can't wait to unbox it and show you how it works. So let's dive in. The packaging is really sleek and everything is well protected. And here is a cute gift. Thank you so much, Minnie Marcum. They have so many other amazing products, so I will suggest you must visit their page or website. You can get the link in description. As you can see, we have the lamp itself, a base, and a user manual. Now let's see how easy to assemble it. Assembling this lamp is super straightforward. You just have to attach the stand with the base and the lamp and light. Just look at these shades. These are so amazing and I can't wait to switch on. So here is a handy remote control, and the best thing is they already put the cell. So now it's time to select a winner. I'm sharing my screen live with you guys that some people are thinking it's not a fair giveaway, so that's why. So please don't think that, because I'm not selecting any single comment. I just put the link here. Now the app will select a random comment and I will announce it. Before announcement, it's showtime. Look at this, guys, it's just wow. The colors are so vibrant and you can switch on from a cool daylight effect to a warm sunlight glow with just a click. You can control and adjust the brightness, colors, and even set a different modes depending on your mood and creative needs. You can adjust the size according to your space, according to your wall, how much you want it to be look like. Even it's not just a different colors like sunset, you can also test a basic RGB colors. But I really like these sunset because they have a fade mode, auto mode, and flash mode, which can work automatically. So you can get all the details on the remote, so you can test it out and just enjoy it. It also can move 360-degree angle, so you can adjust it according to your room. It's highly recommended, and trust me guys, this is going to be a game changer for my art projects, and it's perfect for shooting some classic shots, even photography. I'm definitely going to be using this in my upcoming videos, art projects, and photos. The lighting is just perfect for bringing out the true colors in my art projects, photography, videos, and everything. And guess what? You can get your hands on this lamp too. Minnie Marcum was kind enough to give me a discount code just for you guys. Use my code Art With Maha Muzammil and check out to get a special discount on your purchase. Must read the description for further details. And now for the moment you have been waiting for. I'm so excited to announce the winner for this RGB sunset lamp giveaway. Just 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Sabika. You have just won this awesome lamp. I will be in touch with you to get it shipped out. My other art lovers, Don't worry if you did not win this time. I will be doing many more giveaways in my upcoming videos, so make sure you are following me on Instagram and subscribe my YouTube channel to do not miss any update about my upcoming exciting stuff that I have planned for you, because I already plan amazing giveaways for you. Thank you so much once again for your continued support. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing unboxing and creative content. Until next time, stay creative and keep shining with Art with Maha Muzammil.